What's up? Welcome to my channel. Coach Ajay Panchal here from Rare Real Estate, coming to you to reintroduce myself. We're going to talk about Facebook ads and lead conversion and how that actually translates to business and money in your pocket. But first, a little bit about me if you don't know. I've been in the industry for about 9 years, worked through various brokerages, and I've learned a lot throughout my time in sales. I'm currently an active Tom Ferry business coach as well. Been doing that for about 3 years now. Have over 900 hours of coaching under my belt. So trust me when I say I've been around. Okay, I really love sales, but what I'm most passionate about is coaching, mentoring, working with agents like yourselves, watching this video from A to Z and building your business plan, developing strategies and marketing, and that translating into business and actually helping you close more deals. Now, it's important to know, I hear it all the time, hey Ajay, I want to start a Facebook ad, but our Facebook lead's good, our Facebook, the lead quality sucks. I'll tell you, based on my experience, I ran a brokerage for about 1.5 years, and we ran a really closed-in operation. Used to run various Facebook ad campaigns that generated, 10 to 20 leads per day that we would distribute amongst our team members. And boast it or not, a lot of our team was able to convert and double, and a lot of those deals ended up being buyer and seller leads. So as you watch this video and you venture into Facebook ads, I want you to have in your mind that this is a long-term game. Okay, I ran those ads for about 1.5 years. The ad spend was about $25,000 because we ran 3 or 4 different ads. Don't worry, your ad spend doesn't have to be anywhere close to that to start generating leads from these ads. But the point is, this is a long-term game. Okay, Facebook ads are very effective. I personally like them because the contact information is usually correct. You might have some odd wrong numbers in there as well, or bogus emails. But most of the time, the contact information is correct, and people are very receptive to the phone call based on my experience. Now, having called over, probably over 5,000 leads throughout my time in Facebook ads, I can tell you that if you position your scripts right, if you position the conversation correctly, you're going to be set up for success. Okay, so first topic here, let's get right into what is a Facebook ad and how do we create a Facebook presence. Let's get into creating a Facebook page. So we know you have a Facebook personal account, and that's important. So your personal account, you're allowed to create various pages. Ideally, the Facebook page should be a professional page, which is often related to your real estate business. So when you're creating a Facebook page, it's going to be connected, 1, to your personal account. So you'll have to be okay with that. And 2, it's good because you can invite your friends that are existing there to like and engage in your Facebook page. Some pro tips when creating your Facebook page: make sure the quality of the images are great, high quality images, make sure they're properly organized well. Imagine this as kind of your little website that people go to that's connected to your Facebook account. Okay, you might have customers come there and look up a real estate agent in your area, or you might be that agent, and they'll go to your Facebook page to engage in listings, come list me, sold. One thing when you create a Facebook page is to ensure your images are clear and you're using high resolution quality. Okay, don't start uploading blurry photos that are not cropped properly. People are going to catch on to that, and when they come to your page, it just doesn't show well. And they're not going to be interested in even proceeding or let alone call you for some business. Your page is your attraction, your magnet towards future business and generating leads. So imagine you're building trust. If you go to a restaurant's website and all the images, first of all, if there's no images of food and you're looking for food recommendations, you're going to be a little skeptical. And if the image quality is poor, you're not going to really want to go there unless the reviews are really high. So look at your page, your Facebook page, as a way to attract people towards your brand, your business. You're looking to build trust. At the end of the day, as Tom Ferry mentions, people are going to really do business only if they know you, like you, and trust you. I'll tell you, my days starting out in real estate and creating Facebook pages, it was really a struggle for me personally. And then I just went back to the drawing board. I said, okay, what is the basic set of information that I need on my Facebook page, first of all, and why would someone want to come and visit my page? They might want to, you might want to position yourself as a local expert in certain areas. So that's what you want to look at when you're creating your Facebook business page. It's different from your personal page, and the page is there to represent your brand and your business. Now, the next step, remember, we're building up towards a successful real estate ad. The next step is the About section on your real estate page. Now, the About section is, of course, you could use ChatGPT or any AI tool to create something, but I prefer personally to talk about your own experiences. People want to hear that you are an actual real person doing business and can be relatable. And in the About section, it's important that you include keywords for search engine optimization, without throwing out all these fancy terms. For you guys, simply put, any word that someone would look up, like real estate agent in Whitby, real estate agent in Toronto, real estate agent in New York, whatever the search word is, you want to include those keywords in the About section to increase your search engine optimization or your ability to be found online. It's important to also include your neighborhood, your local area. So that now connects you, just like Google connects you through your Facebook page to be found if someone is moving to the area or looking to sell. Now, part of building a professional real estate Facebook page is actually a little bit about representing yourself and calls to action. Okay, so I used to do this back in my career in real estate when I first started. You always make great content, you represent yourself well, you have nice photos on your social media platforms, but you don't really tell your consumer what to do next. So there should be a call to action that's a link to your Facebook page. And a lot of these things, buttons like send me a message, call now, contact us. Facebook, the page will allow you to enable these features so you can be contacted through your Facebook page. Now, another important part of these call to actions is the lead capture functionality. After all, we are talking about leads and Facebook ads, but it all starts with the Facebook page. That's essentially your online shop. So lead capture is one of the benefits of creating these enabled call to action. One of the key reasons you want to have a call to action linked to your Facebook page is the ability to capture information. So your lead capture abilities. That's going to allow consumers to enter their name, their phone number, their address, whatever, when they're trying to interact with you. And that's really where the magic starts. Now you've done all this work, you've gotten your Facebook page set up. Now it's time to actually post content. Now, content, if you go to my page, you'll see it can vary based on where you're at with your real estate career. You may start out in certain areas, you may live in certain areas. I used to live in Collingwood, so a lot of videos and posts were about Collingwood. And then you evolve as you go. The main thing is to be consistent with your posting and make sure that you're speaking to your target audience. Well, you need to first figure out who your target audience is. So some great posts, and you could use ChatGPT or Perplexity.ai, any of the AI tools to help you. One of the most consistent things you can do on your Facebook page is post client testimonials. What are clients saying about you? What has their experience been? Post your videos on there. Where have you been? Interview local businesses in the area. Post that on your Facebook page. So in summary, what you're essentially trying to do, real estate agents, is create a localized advertising platform within your Facebook account. So when you do run your Facebook ads, and trust me when I say this, people are going to actually go to your Facebook page and see what you're about. Okay? Now the Facebook ad we'll get into in subsequent videos, but those ads are really effective when your online presence, your Facebook shop, so to speak, which is your page, shows very well, it's polished and professional looking. And in short, what we're hoping to accomplish, and keeping this in the back of your mind, is we are trying to grow our audience. Okay, it's not followers per se, it's page likes, but people on Facebook, when they come to your page, We want to make sure there's enough people coming on a regular basis. It's like your online shop, as I referenced. So that's what the preface here is of actually setting up your whole Facebook ad. The starting point is creating a professional looking Facebook page. Okay, so subscribe to this channel for more videos on how to create Facebook ads, and even sign up for my ebook. It's going to give you all the details you need. Step by step, I walk you through creating a successful Facebook ad and how to generate leads from it. All right, see you around, guys.